The healing rain to restore my soul again. Just a tow ride on the run. How did I get here? What have I done? When will all my hopes arise? How will I know him when I look in my Father's eyes? When I look in my Father's eyes, my Father's eyes. Then the light begins to shine, and I hear those ancient lullabies. And as I watch the seedling grow, feel my heart start to overflow. Where do I find the words to say? How do I teach him? What do we play? Bit by bit, I've realized that's when I need them. That's when I need my Father's eyes. My Father's eyes. That's when I need my Father's eyes. My Father's eyes. When the jagged edge appears through the distant clouds of tears, I'm like a bridge that was washed away. My